Have you ever heard of a condition that affects millions of women but is often misunderstood even by those who have it? Today, we're diving into Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, commonly known as PCOS. Interestingly, the name is actually a bit misleading. While it suggests that having cysts on your ovaries is the primary issue, a diagnosis doesn't actually require their presence. Instead, PCOS is considered a constellation of symptoms rather than a standalone disease. It is a complex hormonal disorder that can affect everything from your skin and hair to your fertility and long-term health. To understand PCOS, we first need to look at a normal menstrual cycle. Usually, your brain releases a hormone called GnRH, gonadotropin-releasing hormone, which tells your pituitary gland to release two other hormones, FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH helps your eggs mature inside tiny sacs called follicles. When an egg is ready, a sudden surge of LH causes ovulation, releasing that egg to be fertilized. In a PCOS cycle, things change. For unknown reasons, the GnRH, gonadotropin-releasing hormone, is released at a higher pulse frequency. This causes an imbalance. Your body produces too much LH and not enough FSH. Because FSH is low, your follicles never fully mature, and that vital LH surge never happens, meaning ovulation often doesn't occur. Those immature follicles remain in the ovaries as small fluid-filled sacs, or cysts, which is where the condition gets its name. Because the ovaries aren't ovulating, they don't produce a structure called the corpus luteum, which normally secretes progesterone to regulate your cycle. This lack of progesterone, combined with high LH, stimulates the ovaries to produce excessive androgens, or male sex hormones, like testosterone. While women naturally have small amounts of testosterone, these elevated levels lead to the hallmark symptoms of PCOS: irregular or absent periods, hirsutism, which is excess hair growth on the face, chest, or back, severe acne and male pattern baldness, weight gain, particularly around the belly and difficulty losing it, and infertility, as the lack of regular ovulation makes it difficult to conceive. There's another major player in PCOS: insulin. Secreted by the pancreas, insulin helps your body manage sugar. However, many women with PCOS experience insulin resistance, where the body's cells don't respond to insulin properly. This creates what medical experts call a vicious cycle. High insulin levels signal the ovaries to produce even more androgens. In turn, those high androgen levels make the body even more resistant to insulin. If left unmanaged, this can lead to pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, along with heart disease and high blood pressure. So how do you know if you have it? Doctors typically look for at least two of these three features: irregular periods, high androgen levels verified by blood tests or physical symptoms, and polycystic ovaries seen on an ultrasound. While there is currently no cure, PCOS is very manageable. The foundation of treatment is lifestyle changes. Believe it or not, losing even just 5% of your body weight can significantly improve symptoms and help restore ovulation. Regular exercise and a diet focused on complex carbohydrates are also key to managing insulin levels. For those who need extra help, there are several medical options. Birth control pills can regulate periods and lower testosterone. Metformin helps improve insulin sensitivity. Spironolactone can be used to combat excess hair growth. And for those trying to conceive, Clomid is a common medication that tricks the brain into releasing more FSH to trigger ovulation. In some cases, specialized procedures like laparoscopic ovarian drilling or IVF may be recommended. PCOS is a complex journey, but you don't have to navigate it alone. Understanding the hormonal why behind your symptoms is the first step towards taking control of your health. If you recognized yourself in these symptoms, reach out to a specialist to discuss a personalized plan. Thanks for watching.